a day set aside to remember and thank our teachers for everything. Although teachers are not born but made, they are considered special people created by God for the betterment of humanity. They are regarded as the reservoir of knowledge, love and compassion. The best teachers known to the world are not just popular for being the reservoir of knowledge, but also for their commitment while in service. Teachers' Day is the occasion especially dedicated to people who have devoted their time especially towards the betterment of their students, both academically and ethically. The world celebrates Teachers' Day on October 15, but in India, this important day is celebrated on September 5, that is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, an academic philosopher and India's second president. Dedicated to this great man's memory, the occasion is looked forward to by students and teachers alike. It provides an opportunity to take a moment and thank some of the most important people in our lives, the ones who impart knowledge and instruct us. The great and lasting influence a teacher can have on a student's life is undeniable, and a good teacher is remembered forever. Dr. Radhakrishnan staunchly believed in the importance of education and was one of India's celebrated diplomat, politician, scholar and above all a teacher. Born in a small town of Madras Presidency to a poor Telugu family on September 5, 1888, Dr. Radhakrishnan was an intelligent and diligent student who was awarded scholarships throughout his student life. He graduated from Madras Christian College with a degree in philosophy, and his thesis were published when he was only 20 years old. For him, the issues of education and nationalism are intertwined, and he believed that a good and complete education would quicken not only the development of the individual, but is the only responsible and practical means to the creation of Indian solidarity and clarity of national vision. He was greatly admired and loved as a teacher. His students approached him after he became president with a request to celebrate his birthday, that is September 5. He replied that it would be his proud privilege if instead of just as his birthday, September 5 was observed as Teachers' Day in the country. His request clearly showed his love and dedication towards the vocation. It is believed a good teacher is like a candle, as it consumes itself to light the ways for others. So, on this great day, just be thankful for whatever we have learned, to the people who have been our guide, friend and philosopher, because this is the right time to pay back to teachers who have put in all possible efforts to make us what we are today. Thank you, my teacher, for being there at times when skies were grey. Thank you, my teacher, for lending an ear when I had things to say. You showered love on me lavishly when no one seemed to care. You brought me joys untold to fill my heart with moments of gold.
It's working.
I would have felt isolated and lonely if you had not been there. I lack the words to let you know